everybody, Wilton Han over here. Many of you are doing Google Ads right now to generate more calls, and Google Ads is a very good way to generate interest of those who are problem aware already. That's why they go on Google, they type in, for example, funeral home near me, cremation near me. They might type in Miami funeral homes. They are problem aware. But more and more funeral homes or more businesses, they're starting to also do Google Ads right now since they know it's working very effectively. So you might see more and more competitors jumping on a bandwagon. Then now you're like, hey, who are my competitors? Who are outbidding me? And right, so you can at least take a look and figuring out how do you combat them back. So Google made it very easy for you to know who is bidding against you. So what you do is once you log into your Google Ad account, just go straight to Auction Insights. Then it will let you know who is bidding against you. So for example, that's you, right? So for this client, they got majority of the impression share, 63%. And then the next one only got 22%. The next one 18, and then 18, 14, and on. So you can see that they do have actually total of 13 funeral homes bidding on the same market, right? That is a lot. And one interesting I like to look at, of course, first of all, I want to make sure my client are getting the majority of the share. Then I want to go back by a month and see, right, back then there's 14 competitors, so one dropped out. The month prior, there were 14, right, and they're my client. I want to see they're always number one, right, and then back in February, right, 15, right, so it's good to see less and less, right, used to be 15 back in February, and they only have 51% of the market share. And then as people drop out, right, from 15 down to 14, and then eventually down to 13, my client's getting more market share. And so this is a good one to look at who is bidding against you. Are there new advertisers coming in? Are some just opting to get out? So it's a great tool. We look at this all the time.